Hey there, trailblazers! Welcome back to another episode where I dive into the best tips and gear to make your hikes incredible. Today, let's talk about something that can make or break your hiking experience: your footwear. First up, let's discuss the best hiking boots for any terrain in 2024. Comfort, support, and durability are the trifecta you need to focus on. Top brands like Scarpa, Salewa, and Hoka are leading the pack this year. Scarpa offers excellent stability, Salewa is breathable, and Hoka is renowned for comfort. If you're into a more traditional feel, Timberland boots are your go-to for immediate comfort. La Sportiva, on the other hand, shines on mixed terrains. These boots have been tested rigorously, from muddy slush to dry, arid climates. So, what should you prioritize? Grip, protection, and weatherproof qualities. Trust me, the right pair of boots can turn a tough hike into an enjoyable adventure. Now let's shift gears to spring hiking. Spring is beautiful but challenging thanks to what we call the mud season from late March to May. Mud can be a real pain, so do your homework and find suitable trails. The Adventure Resource Centre's library is a great place to start. Gear up with waterproof boots and moisture-wicking socks to keep those feet dry. After each hike, clean your boots promptly. This not only prolongs their lifespan, but also keeps them in good condition for your next adventure. Start your hikes early to avoid muddy trails and crowds. And remember, always respect the trails. Stay on designated paths and pack out all your trash. For extra support, resources like Outdoor Pursuits and CU Sports Medicine are invaluable. That's it for today's episode. Whether you're trekking through snow, mud, or dry trails, the right gear can make all the difference. So lace up those boots and get out there. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hiking tips and gear reviews. Happy hiking, everyone! See you on the trails.